Hello everyone, it's me Ruksa Nagra. Today I'm going to unbox USB microphone kit. I ordered it from Amazon. I thought, while I'm making a video for other product, let's see how this product works. So I thought, order this is one, the JEEMAK PC24. So I noticed it is good quality, but let's see. I'm gonna unbox this. So see what's in the package and how the product look like. We need a little scissor because they're nicely packed, so I'm gonna try unboxing from here. And that's nicely packed. Okay, it's got this thing here. And look nice, very nice, nicely packed. Okay, in the package, look nice. In the package I can see a few accessories in there. Okay, first thing, that's a gift card. It basically, this is a 2-year warranty gift card from them. That's the JEEMAK little card. If you have any problem, if you're not happy with the product, so what you can do, you can send them back or write them email. Little instruction for user manual. Okay, let's see what's in there. It's a tiny book, but it's nice. That's the accessory. It go behind the mic. Okay, that's the USB cable, mic holder. Oh, that's nice. Maybe heavy, but look absolutely beautiful. JEEMAK. Okay, that's nice. What's that? That's the stand for put your mic on the top, and this go basically with the table. That's the clip for the table, so you can stick it on your table and you can use this as a mic. It's nice. I hope you enjoy the video, and please subscribe my channel and like the video so I can bring more stuff for you guys to unbox. And thank you very much. Have a good day and see you again. Bye bye.